Hi students, welcome to the amazing world of bryophytes, tiny plants that we often miss under our feet. Bryophytes are very old plants, showing us how early plants looked on Earth. They love damp, shady places, covering the forest floor and sticking to rocks. Bryophytes don't have the special tubes that bigger plants use to move water and nutrients. This keeps them small but tough, letting them live where other plants can't. Bryophytes include liverworts, mosses, and hornworts, each with their own special features. Their life cycle is mostly about the game-to-fight stage, which makes the cells needed for reproduction. Liverworts, as their name suggests, were once thought to possess medicinal properties for liver ailments, a belief rooted in their liver-shaped thallus, the plant body of certain species. While their medicinal value has since been debunked, liverworts remain a captivating group of bryophytes. Among them, Marchantia stands out as a common and easily recognizable representative. Marchantia forms flat, ribbon-like structures that spread across damp soil or rocks, creating a velvety green carpet. Its thallus is dotted with tiny pores, reminiscent of miniature mouths, which facilitate gas exchange for photosynthesis. One of the most striking features of Marchantia is its unique mode of asexual reproduction. Specialized structures called gemmy-cups, resembling miniature golf courses, form on the surface of the thallus. Within these cups, tiny, disc-shaped gemmy develop. When raindrops splash into the cups, the gemmy are dispersed, each capable of developing into a new individual. Marchantia also exhibits sexual reproduction, with male and female sex organs born on separate, umbrella-like structures that rise above the thallus. This fascinating interplay of asexual and sexual reproduction highlights the adaptability and resilience of liverworts like Marchantia. Mosses, the most diverse group of bryophytes, are a familiar sight in damp forests, forming lush green carpets that cushion the forest floor. Their simple yet elegant structures belie a remarkable ability to withstand harsh conditions and play vital roles in their ecosystems. Funaria, the cord moss, is a common inhabitant of disturbed areas, often appearing on burnt ground or recently exposed soil. Its name comes from the twisted seta, or stalk, that supports the capsule containing spores. The unique shape of the seta, resembling a twisted cord, is an adaptation that aids in spore dispersal. Sphagnum moss, a denizen of bogs and wetlands, possesses an extraordinary ability to absorb and retain water, far exceeding its own weight. This remarkable property has led to its widespread use in horticulture as a soil amendment, improving drainage and moisture retention. Polytrichum, the haircap moss, stands out for its relatively large size and distinctive appearance. Unlike the soft, feathery texture of many mosses, Polytrichum possesses a more rigid structure, with tightly packed leaves that give it a wiry feel. This structural adaptation allows Polytrichum to thrive in drier environments compared to its water-loving relatives. The bryophyte life cycle, a dance of two generations. The life cycle of bryophytes is a dance between two phases, the game-to-fight and the sporophyte. The game-to-fight is the green leafy structure, producing gametes through mitosis. The sporophyte is smaller, dependent on the game-to-fight, and produces spores through meiosis. Spores are released, carried by wind or water, germinating into new game-to-fights, completing the cycle. Importance of bryophytes, tiny plants with a big impact. Bryophytes, despite their diminutive size, play a crucial role in the delicate balance of their ecosystems, impacting everything from soil health to water regulation. As pioneers of bare ground, bryophytes contribute to soil formation by breaking down rocks and accumulating organic matter. Their ability to absorb and retain water like sponges influences water cycles, regulating runoff and preventing erosion. In harsh environments like bogs and wetlands, sphagnum moss plays a key role in carbon sequestration, trapping atmospheric carbon dioxide and storing it in its peat deposits. This process helps to mitigate climate change by reducing greenhouse gas concentrations. Bryophytes also provide habitat and food for a diverse array of invertebrates, serving as a vital link in the food web. Their intricate structures offer shelter for insects, while their decaying matter provides sustenance for decomposers. Bryophytes, the unsung heroes of our planet. Bryophytes, often overlooked in the grand scheme of plant life, are essential components of healthy ecosystems, influencing everything from soil formation to water cycles and carbon sequestration. Their ability to thrive in harsh environments and their unique adaptations make them fascinating subjects of study. As we learn more about these remarkable plants, we gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of life on Earth and the vital roles played by even the smallest and seemingly insignificant organisms. Bryophytes, the unsung heroes of the plant world, deserve our respect and protection as we strive to conserve the biodiversity and ecological integrity of our planet. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, like, and share it with your friends. Let's spread the word about the incredible world of bryophytes.